ChunkyFarmhouse.com. This is a coffee table that's made with heart-shaped legs, so it's good for Valentine's, Mother's Day, if your girlfriend's birthday, boyfriend's birthday, whatever you want to buy them it. This part of it is just the assembly side. I've already made the components and we're going to put them together now. Which takes a few minutes, but the end result looks great. I will also show you a video of it being sprayed up and then the final thing before it goes out to the customer. It was sold this morning. It'll be with the customer tomorrow morning. We sell these on Amazon. We sell them on ChunkyFarmhouse.com, eBay. They're not over expensive. They're roughly £135 each. Being put together here by Dave. It's made of a 8x2 frame. So the top of a patchwork of basically 3x8, 3x6, 6x3, whichever you country you're in. Screwed together, and then after that we put dowels in. The dowels are there to cover the screws and give it a bit of a finish. It's all been sanded off already, but we'll do a final sand when it's done. It's a beautiful table. We actually sell probably about 4 or 5 of these every week. Just thought I'd do a video because we haven't done one yet. That's the frame put together. Doing the holes now for the base, into the top. We'll screw the bottom to the top with 100mm screws. Maybe a bit more than that, possibly. Yeah, 100. Measures it to get in place. The battery lights out. The heart was cut out on the CNC router. This is the finished table now. If you have a look. Now we're going to take it into the stain room and get it stained up to a light oak finish. And then after that we'll be waxing it, polishing it, and we'll add to the video so you can see it. Thank you. Don't forget ChunkyFarmhouse.com or Amazon is where they start.